Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So before going ahead, I would request you all to subscribe my channel and like the video. So I have bought iPhone 13 in Starlight white color and I have gone for a 256 GB variant. So I'll be unboxing it today. So So you can see the seals are already removed as there was a Flipkart open box delivery. So in order to prevent the fraud, I have just asked the delivery boy to open that. Just unbox that. So white color looks premium. I didn't expect this much of the white color because in the iPhone 12 we were seeing a little uh, not much darker white, just the faded white color in the Starlight option. So here I'll keep the phone aside. Here you'll see the charging cable as expected. No brick is provided here, and some documentation designed by Apple in California. A few documentations and stickers, and also the SIM ejector tool. Let's keep this aside. Let's move back to the phone. So this is like this because I have already asked the guy to unbox it. So let's boot the phone. It's booting up. Okay, so the setup will be required. So go for English, India here, and setup manually as continue. So we need to connect to one network. I'll just quickly turn on the hotspot of my mobile phone. So here it is. Okay, so it is connected. So this might take few minutes to activate my phone. So I'll pause the video here and quickly set up the Apple ID, and let's go to the home screen directly then. So this is one another step that while setting up an iPhone I came across, so I thought I should mention that the same thing in the video. So since I have an Android phone that I have to transfer the data into this iPhone, so we have different options here. So this is the thing, apps and data to transfer we get during when we get when we turn on the new iPhone or just reset the current iPhone. So this is the option we get during that time. So we have 5 options here: restore from iCloud, backup, Mac or PC, from iPhone, directly transfer, or move data from Android. So I have the Android app, so let's select move data from Android. It says download a move Android app to the Android phone, move to iOS. So this is my Android app. So let me just increase the brightness here. Okay, so this is the app here. So when we turn this on, move to iOS app, you can agree, you can click continue, agree, not send, continue. You have to turn the Wi-Fi on. Okay, and both the phone should be on the same network. We'll click continue here. So we have this iOS. Okay. 155,497. So connect. Connection is successful here. So here it says waiting for a Redmi Note 5 Pro to transfer the data. So whatever the data that you want to transfer from Android to the iOS, you can select that. So I have the messages here. I'll allow that, and contacts, allow that. So while selecting that, we get the total amount of memory that is required. So here you can see messages has 8 MB of memory. So contacts are not specified yet. We'll go to calendar, Google account, photo library. So it says it has around 3.3 GB of the data. Go to display settings, accessibility settings, and WhatsApp as well. So it says transfer your chat and media history to your new iPhone. You will not be able to transfer later if you skip this step. So we can click on start here. Okay, so it says preparing, so it may take some time. Let's pause here. So it's been around 4 to 5 minutes. Still it says preparing at 0%. So I'll go ahead and I will skip it. I'll do the cancel here. You can go back, resume, cancel the transfer. Okay, and here we get the add files. So whatever the file manager data is there, we can click here add files and transfer it to the iOS. So for the time being, I'll just do this thing. Click on continue. So it will estimate the time that is required to transfer. So it says around 15 minutes will be required. So it says transfer is completed. Do you want to recycle your Android phone? So the items are getting moved into a place. Can recycle the Android OS, or we can go ahead and click on done here. And here we'll be doing continue setting up an iPhone. I'll remove this Android from the frame. So here we need to set up an ID. So this device is for my brother, so he doesn't have any Apple ID. So I'll quickly go ahead and set up the Apple ID here. So I have skipped the Apple ID. Set it to not now. I'll enable the location services. I'll set it up later. Set up later. Do not share anything with Apple. Continue. So it says welcome to the iPhone. So this was my unboxing and setting up the iPhone video. Thanks for watching.